Hi my dears, today I'm gonna show you how to make very cute gemstone earrings. They will be made with leather, and I already choose some color combinations. Yes, you see really small pieces, different colors, different textures, you will see. And this is the first option in black. The leathers are different. The second one, this shining leather, colorful pieces, and the other one is made of hair on leather, shining gold leather. Other small pieces, everything you have, all the pieces are shining, and we will choose this round shape. It's about 6 centimeters, about 2.5 inches, you can see. Okay, let's cut some leather. The first combination, colorful pieces, shining leather and round pattern. So first let's draw the pattern on the shining. It's a very shining leather, very thin, and don't forget to make 2 pieces. They will be the base. Cut them very carefully, nothing dangerous, and you will see what will happen later. So the pieces are ready, bling bling. Also I will use another smaller pattern, you will see why. And for these earrings I will use blue leather. Also draw 2 pieces like this and cut them. The combination will be like this: the blue leather on top of the shining leather. So let's choose some colorful pieces. You can use even the smallest pieces, as you see, because we will cut them to make smaller pieces. And purple, pink, green, what you like. Just small pieces, about 2-3 centimeters. Choose the colors, but make 1 piece for each earring. Don't forget it. They will be almost the same. A little bit green and maybe purple. Yes. Small purple pieces. Another one. Shining yellow. Yes, very bright color. How to cut this one? Yes, like this. Don't worry too much about the shape. You will see why. And again, this one is coral pink. So everything is done. You see they are like a rainbow. I arranged the colors like this. So let's put some glue on the back side of the blue circle and put a little bit glue on the back side of every colorful piece. Not too much, just to fix them, you will see later. So let's start to fix them. Just simply choose how you want the colors to be fixed. One by one, you can change it if you don't like the combination. Like this, just leave a little bit of space between the colors, the shining leather to be seen. I will show you. Once you fix the small colorful pieces, just like this, press them a little bit and you see the shining leather is shining between the colors. Now you have to put the blue circle and press a little bit. Hammer all the combination to stick well. And ta-da! You can see shining earrings. For the back side, I will use light purple leather. So let's check this piece if it will be enough for the 2 earrings. Yes. And to fix the combinations, again put some glue. Let's fix the first one. Yes, it's done. And now it's time for the second one. Again with a little bit glue, because we have to stitch them. You remember that, right? Enough leather for the second one, and they are ready. Again with the hammer to stick well the pieces. And it's done. I cut the pieces to be easier to stitch them, so you can see them on my machine. I used light pink thread. The stitching, first you have to stitch the small circle, or you can find some other way. It's up to you to decide. And stitch by stitch, just fix all the elements so you can see them. Now the threads, we have to cut them like this and burn them to stick them like this. So the second one will be done the same way. And they are ready. The lining, the back side, to be cut. Gently, just cut them like a circle. You see, nothing special. Just be careful to not cut the stitching. First one is almost done. You can see they are very shining, very colorful. And now it's time to make the holes for the hooks. With the hammer, it's easy, yes, it's done. And the two pieces are ready for the hooks. My jump rings and the hooks are made of sterling silver 925. Open the jump ring, put the hook and close the jump ring, just like this, nothing special. And the earrings are ready. Repeat the same with the second earring, jump ring, silver hook and close the jump ring. Use your hands if you want. Now I have to show you how they look on me. Yes, shining earrings. Let's try. Bling bling. Yes, they are very nice, very colorful and very lightweight. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, I'm here for you. Wait for more. Thank you for watching. Bye.